How to add page border in Microsoft Word. First, click Design. Then in the right side, you can see Page Border. Here, you will be able to see a lot of options for your border. For example, in the left side where you can put a box, shadow, 3D, and custom. You can also choose the style if you want it to be broken lines, dash lines, or whatever you want. Just scroll down and you will see every option that is available. You can also choose the color that you want for your border and also the width. In the art drop-down menu, you can also choose what kind of design the border will be, so it will not be plain looking. On the right side, you will see a preview of the border and how it will look like in your page. You can choose to remove one side of the border by clicking these 4 buttons. You can also choose if you want to apply the border to the whole document or not. If you are satisfied with how it looks like, just click OK, and that's it. Here is the example of the border I chose. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.